Robots can dance, but getting them choose the right tools to cook, that's harder. The real challenge is understanding the world around them. Now imagine replicating the real world, one-to-one, as a digital model. A training ground for the robot's brain, scale training at a fraction of the cost. Tens of thousands of real-world scenarios turned into spatial models AI can reason through. With accurate spaces, robots rehearse in simulation, climbing stairs, grasping objects, repeating until each task is second nature. When simulation is close enough to reality, skills transfer directly. World models don't just help robots follow commands. They help robots understand environments and make decisions. When a robot truly understands the world, that's when intelligence actually begins.